in between discussion, we just got stretched way beyond its limit. Okay, and even you include some of the unnecessary points. Okay, so the best part is that you can ask your queries in the chat box, or if you at the last, if you want to unmute yourself, then you can just raise your hand. I will unmute you. You can ask your queries. Okay, and throughout this second phase of our this entire zoology lecture series, if you have any queries on any previous lecture, you can just ask those queries first privately to me, and once you have conveyed your queries, we will discuss those queries in one of the lectures. Okay, we will either discuss them on Saturday or the Sunday. Okay, we will keep one doubt session henceforth. Okay, on the Saturday, Sunday. Most of them our classes will have holidays on the Saturday and Sunday. Okay, so that's why we will utilize one of these day for micro test series. Also, we will also use one of these days for your queries also. Okay, in this Saturday we won't be able to conduct your free test because we have already conducted very less portion of the syllabus. But from the next Saturday we will have this, whatever the general pattern is there, we conduct the free tests, this mini test on every Saturday. Okay, as I have already told you in the group, I won't be having this time to conduct the full length test series until this December end. Okay, or until this all these 6 chapters ends. But we will continue to have these mini tests on the Saturdays. Okay, we will continue that pattern. The mini test, the timing of the mini test will be the same, 8 a.m. or the 9 a.m. Okay, and we will immediately conduct the this model answer discussion on that. So even if I don't check your model or I don't evaluate your model answers, but you will get at least some model answer on that part of the questions. Okay, so we will conduct that activity for these 2 months also. Okay, so right now there are 10 participants are there. Just let me know in the comment box whether everything is fine. You are you are able to hear my voice clearly, the video link, the buffering is, everything is fine or not. Just let me know once in the comment box. Okay, then we will start with today's lecture. Okay, all okay, sir. Abhishek is saying all okay. Great. Okay, actually ये जो होस्ट वाला वेटिंग रूम वाला सिस्टम है ना, वो बंद करना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज लेट्स सी वेदर देयर इज एन ऑप्शन और नॉट दैट. इनेबल वेटिंग रूम को अनक्लिक किया है, सो मे बी राइट नाउ यू विल बी डायरेक्टली गेट एडेड टू दिस. ओके, देखते हैं. So with this, now we will start with this today's lecture. Good evening all of you. After a very long break in our this UPSC zoology test series, we are meeting again with our genetics course. Okay, and obviously because of these delays, we have already got this entire lectures or entire series has also got delayed, so I'm sorry for that. Okay, and I will try to break this entire the whatever the remaining sessions are there this till December. Okay, so December के end तक और बाकी के जो कुछ भी chapter वो complete करेंगे, and along with the notes. Okay, so with this now we'll start with this genetics. Let's see. But first of all, some introductory these parts for those who have joined this course recently. Okay, let's see. See, this is the first of all, this is the genetics course syllabus in the UPSC. Okay, now whenever I'm saying that it is the syllabus of UPSC zoology, though I have already told you in this many YouTube sessions that don't consider that there is anything difference in between that, in between this CSE zoology and the Indian Forest Service. Okay, both are the same. I always refer both as only UPSC zoology. Okay, कोई IFS का या फिर IAS का ऐसा कोई difference नहीं. Okay, syllabus is the same. But whatever the syllabus which we are going to conduct in this genetics, this course is like this: modern concept of gene, split gene, genetic regulation. Okay, then these sex chromosomes, Mendelssohn's law, the mutation, recombinant DNA, gene regulation, signal molecules, cell death. Okay, RFLP, RAPD. All of these points will be covered one by one. Okay, and at the end of this this entire course, you will have the notes on each one of these points. Okay. So before starting with, this is just the pattern which I wanted to convey to the students. Okay, to the new students. Okay, that I showed you before every lecture. I show you this previous year question slide. Okay, now even if I am showing you this previous year slide, but this does not mean that we are going to conduct all of these points in today's lecture. Okay, today's lecture is very short. I have already shared the PDF of this today's lecture. Okay, but this is the pattern. Okay, before that lecture, I will share like this. Suppose this is the point: gene structure and functions, and this genetic code. Okay, then what are the different questions which are asked on that point? We discuss this first. Okay, we give at least 5 to 10 minutes for this part. Okay, हम कम से कम 5-10 मिनट देते हैं सिर्फ ये डिस्कस करने के लिए. Okay, and why is it necessary? It is necessary because see, genetics or any other chapters in the zoology, they are almost every chapter is like a branch. Okay, हर एक chapter जो है syllabus का वो branch के जैसा है, right? Suppose whatever these books I have. Okay, and one more point. Okay, there are many other students are also who have some doubt over my notes also, my lectures also, or any other notes also. Okay, for them there is one only 2 or 3 minutes session is there right now. What it is, let's see. See, this is the one of the book of these genetics. Okay, maybe because of the filter you may not see the cover. Okay, this is the Pearson's. Okay, अब ये तो Pearson कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा आपको because of the filter. Okay, let's see, ये तो Pearson का अभी दिख रहा होगा आपको genetics का. ठीक है, now you can see the entire ये book का length जो है ना वो कितना बड़ा है, right? So this is just the second book. There is also another book of वीरबाला रस्तोगी. Okay, but ये again ये filter की वजह से आपको पूरा नहीं दिखाई देगा. ठीक है, but you can see अगर थोड़ा ये देखो, this is the book. Okay, again, and there is another 2 or 3 PDFs are there which I am referring for one point only. Okay, that is the gene structure and function. For that point I am referring these 2 points. Okay, I will also show you the PDFs of this other point also. Okay, हमें जो PDF नहीं, जो collection of books है मेरे पास, वो मैं आपको share करता हूँ. Okay, right now I think I hope you are seeing this the folder of my the entire the PC. Okay, so now you can see in this entire folder there are a lot of PDFs are there. Okay, freely available in the internet. You can just download by yourself also. Okay, so what happens is that for every point I go through almost every one of these. Okay, genetic structure के लिए कुछ books है जिस हर एक का मैं open करके देखता हूँ कि whether it is useful or not. Okay, तो आज के लेक्चर में ये जो मेन वाले है, ये जो 2-3 द क्लग वाला है. ओके, एंड देयर आर अदर सम बुक्स आर देयर जो यहाँ पर डेट दिखे होंगे. आज के जो ओपन है वो बुक्स मैंने देखे रेफर किए थे. ठीक है, फॉर दिस पॉइंट आई हैव रेफर्ड दोस बुक्स, राइट. एंड फॉर एवरी पॉइंट व्हिच इज गोइंग टू बिकम इन द एंटायर जेनेटिक्स कोर्स, हर एक पॉइंट के लिए हम व्हाट आई सी दैट आई गो थ्रू ऑल ऑफ दिस बुक एंड आई फाइंड दैट वेदर देयर आर एनी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स आर देयर इन दैट बुक और नॉट. Okay, हर एक पॉइंट के लिए एटलीस्ट 10-15 बुक के PDF और whatever these hard copies which I have go through them. Okay, so that means if we just combine the entire number of books which I am going through, okay, for every chapter वो 20-30 pages के PDF के ऊपर जाता है. ठीक है, now that does not mean कि हम we refer 30 books for a single chapter. Okay, हर एक बुक का only 4-5 pages or 10 pages or many times 2 pages. Okay, 20 pages, ऐसा कुछ particular section ही होता है that is useful for that point. Okay, and I have followed this right from my first chapter. Okay, that's why I am quite sure, even if some of the students को doubt भी होगा that, but still I am very quite sure that जो notes मैं बना रहा हूँ or whatever the notes which you are getting, for most of the syllabus 90% के ऊपर का syllabus तो ऐसा content है that is taken from all of these references books. Okay, and I have put a lot of effort into it, so I have always trying to make those notes a perfect kind of collection. ठीक है, now there may be variation somewhere. Okay, 10-20% में कभी कभी किसी notes किसी point के मेरे भी अच्छे नहीं बने. Okay, I am also not satisfied with the 10-20% of the notes which I already prepared. Okay, but this is the part. Okay, next phase में जब आएंगे तो वो notes फिर से update होंगे, आपके पास आ जाएंगे. ठीक है, I will many of those notes are I am going to share freely into the common public group. Okay, तो जो स्टूडेंट ऑलरेडी ले चुके हैं उनको भी वो मिल जाएंगे ग्रुप की तरफ से. ठीक है, सो दैट्स व्हाई व्हेनेवर यू आर अटेंडिंग दिस क्लास, ओके, तो आपको ये श्योर रहना है कि व्हाट एवर द कंटेंट व्हिच यू विल गेट, इट इज गोइंग टू बी कलेक्टेड फ्रॉम मेनी रेफरेंसेस बुक्स. ओके, एंड द sources which are there, which are all standard reference books. Apart from this, I also use this other websites also, जो biology discussions है, this study and score है, these IS zoology. Many times some contents are there in their website also which are good. Okay, यहाँ पर बुक में देखने के बाद भी कुछ कभी कभी कुछ पॉइंट्स होते हैं उसमें नहीं मिलता. ओके, नाउ दैट इज गोइंग टू हैपन मेनी टाइम्स इन दिस जेनेटिक्स आल्सो. ओके, बिकॉज सी जेनेटिक्स इज अ काइंड ऑफ दिस चैप्टर के हमें we won't be able to just gauge the entire depth, okay, at the first. Okay, because as we have said, this genetics is a kind of an entire branch. Okay, now suppose you refer this Pearson's, okay, Klug or Pearson का ये जो book है, now suppose you have started to read this book, okay, for your genetics. Okay, now this book is almost more than 1000 pages. Okay, more than 1000 pages का book है. Okay, this the Pearson वाला. If you refer this only one book, then you will just get completely lost in this genetics only. Okay, genetics को ही आपको 10-15 दिन या 20 दिन 1 महीना लगेगा. Okay, because आपको whenever you will read any point from this genetics books, Pearson or even the Veerbalastagi, you will feel that this is important point. Okay, यही हमें हमेशा लगता रहेगा कि जब भी हमें ये भी पॉइंट important है, ये भी difficult है तो अच्छा है. This is the complicated point, so this must be useful. Okay. So all of these confusions are going to happen even if you are referring this point. Okay, so how we are going to just concise all of this content. Okay, ये जो 20-25 books के PDFs होंगे या ये books होंगे, इसको concise कैसे करेंगे? Okay, how we will be able to decide that which are the points we should read? Okay, see, for zoology this is the most important point for you. Okay, आपको सिर्फ ये समझना है कि आपको उस biochemistry ka which is the point of that biochemistry syllabus is there which you are required to study. Otherwise this book is not of entire one subject. ये पियर्सन का 1000 का एक जो 1000 पेजेस का एक बुक है वो हमें सब्जेक्ट नहीं है. It is not a subject for us, for a UPSC zoology aspirant. For us that book is a chapter. So treat that genetics as a chapter. बायोकेमिस्ट्री के आपको लेनिंजर्स के सीरीज मिले, लेनिंजर का बुक मिलेगा, स्ट्रायर सीरीज मिलेंगी, बहुत सारे और भी बुक्स मिलेंगे. ओके, जो आपके यूनिवर्सिटी में देयर आर डिफरेंट बुक्स आर रेफर्ड इन डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज. ओके, वी रेफर्ड हियर सत्यनारायण आल्सो. ओके, देयर आर फॉर वन चैप्टर देयर आर more than 3 or 4 books are available. Okay, so if you want to complete your zoology syllabus, treat these books as a chapter. Okay, उसको पूरा सिलेबस सब्जेक्ट जैसा पूरा मत पढ़ो. ओके, अदरवाइज जूलॉजी आपका कभी नहीं होगा. 10 पे 10 बुक पढ़ने पड़ेंगे आपको, आपका 2-3 साल तो इसमें ही जाएगा जूलॉजी का प्रिपरेशन करने में. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई व्हाट आई ट्राई. ओके, मैं क्या करता हूँ, दैट इज आल्सो यू आर रिक्वायर्ड टू फॉलो. आपको यू विल हैव टू फर्स्ट find out the points which you are going to refer from this. Okay, how you are going to find those points? Okay, the best source will be the previous year question booklet. Okay, that is, I think, apart from this making notes of all of these 8 chapters now, the best thing from my perspective is a previous year question का जो book मैंने prepare किया था last मई में, that is the most important book I would say. Okay, for UPSC zoology preparation. Okay, even apart from all of these notes. Okay, notes कुछ भी काम के नहीं है किसी के भी, अगर आपके पास previous year question का book नहीं है. Why? Okay, अगर आप if you have the previous year question book with you, then you won't even require a notes. Okay, the reason is whenever you are referring, whenever you are going to the previous year question, what is the benefit? Let me tell you. Okay, gene structure है, you can just find out what are all the types of questions which are asked on that point. Okay, gene structure के ऊपर क्या पूछा है ये आपको समझ में आएगा पहले. Genetics में what are the types of questions which are there in the genetics, you will understand just by referring this. ये परस कंसा कौन है यार, ये जो आपकी तरफ से क्या हो रहा है वो, you are annotating this the entire this session. Okay, just try to avoid it. Okay, अब ये मुझे यही तो देखना था मुझे क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम आती. We will let's see it later. Okay, so what is going to happen by referring this, you are going to understand. Yes, gene structure genetic code में है ना, इतने सारे क्वेश्चन है. यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ जेनेटिक कोड है, degeneration ऑफ जेनेटिक कोड से global hypothesis has been asked. जीन्स पे कुछ दिस नोट्स है, क्रोमोसोम पे नोट्स है, ओनली जीन्स पे भी नोट्स है. सो यू विल read the entire books or you will read these notes accordingly to this book questions. Okay, now मोनाली आप भी एनोटेट कर रही है. ठीक है, मुझे नहीं लगता ये क्यों करते हैं बीच बीच में. ठीक है, then because of this, see, this is just the collection of the CSC question. Now this is the collection of the Indian Forest Service collection. Okay, so have this book with you, and even if you are preparing notes on your own, this is the free session, so many of the non-batch students are also must be here. Okay, so अगर आपको कोई notes भी नहीं लेना है, कोई किसी का notes रेफर नहीं करना है आपको, if you want to prepare on your own, at least try to have this collection. Okay, because here there are 23 years of CSC question papers are there and last 18 years of IFS question papers are there. Okay, तो आपको आपके प्रिपरेशन में कोई भी डिफिकल्टी नहीं आएगी. सर, दिस इज माय फर्स्ट जूम मीटिंग, सो ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज व्हाई आई एम सेइंग ना, आपको हो सकता है, इसलिए नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं क्या करूंगा, ये डिसेबल ही करूंगा. यू वोंट बी एबल टू दिस एनोटेट. मिस्टेक हो जाती है, पता है मुझे, बहुत बार स्क्रीन पे क्लिक करने के बाद भी वो एनोटेट हो जाता है. ठीक है, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मिस्टेक हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, सो दिस इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ दिस प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. इवन इफ यू आर दिस फर्स्ट लेक्चर, अगर आपका जूलॉजी प्रिपरेशन का भी है स्टार्टिंग में, सो पहला स्टार्टिंग करो. अगर इफ यू आर डिसाइडेड टू हैव जूलॉजी, start with the previous year question. Okay, now next part is see, this is the course which we have covered till now. Okay, 8 chapter के notes है and these are the all the index of all of these chapters. ठीक है, now this covers almost 95% of the syllabus. Okay, see, दो part है. The points which are mentioned in the syllabus, you will find almost every point there. Okay, the second part is the previous year question collection which I have given to you. Okay, that is what, that is the previous year question के इसके पहले क्वेश्चन आए हुए. ठीक है, now you may not find 5% क्वेश्चन के आंसर इन दिस नोट्स, बिकॉज मेनी टाइम्स वो जो उस डेप्थ पे जाना चाहिए था जो प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन के, वो डेप्थ में कभी कभी मेरे कुछ पॉइंट मिस हो गए हर एक चैप्टर के. ओके, सो वॉट एवर दिस 1 to 5% रिमेनिंग पार्ट आर देयर ऑफ दिस पार्ट, आई विल गिव यू एज अ सप्लीमेंट इन द कॉमन ग्रुप आफ्टर द डिस्कशन. ओके, now with this, now this is just a kind of introductory part. Okay, now we will start with the actual lecture. Okay, so lecture, as we have said, we will just going to have a very short introduction of the gene for the today's lecture. Okay, once there are no problem with the all the recording and all, from tomorrow there is only the course student will be allowed to join this meeting, and we will have a lecture kind of more than at least 1 hour. Okay, so if you have any query before starting, you can put your queries in the chat box, otherwise we will start. Okay, कुछ query है? अगर start करना है तो at least thumbs up करो या फिर okay बोलो, then we will. Sir, please share this slide. See, Jyoti, I have already shared all of these slides or all of these PowerPoint lectures PDF in the common group. Okay, Telegram के group में share किया है already, आपको वहीं पर मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, चलो, now we will start with the today's part. Okay, just a kind of a general introduction about this gene. Okay, let's see. I will hide all of this first. The gene का concept क्या है? Let's see what is the concept of gene. Okay, whatever this concept of gene is there, na? Okay, and another thing. Okay, this is the genetics chapter, so many of the things will be a theoretical one. Okay, and another thing is that बहुत सारे लोग ऐसा ही बोलते कि आई जस्ट मेड अ काइंड ऑफ रीडिंग बिटवीन द लाइन्स. ओके, ऐसा तो नहीं है, मुझे पता है. ठीक है, आपको भी पता चल जाएगा, बट यू विल आल्सो फाइंड लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट इज देयर इन दी स्लाइड्स. ओके, नाउ व्हाई इट इज देयर? ओके, सी, ये आप तक के जो चैप्टर्स कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं ना, फॉर देम आई विल नॉट इंक्लूड लॉट दिस मच ऑफ कंटेंट इन देयर पावर स्लाइड्स. ओके, न्यू बैच के लिए द रीजन इज दे विल हैव देम विद देम ऑल द नोट्स विद देम ऑलरेडी. उनके पास ऑलरेडी नोट्स होंगे. ठीक है, बट फॉर यू, अगर मैंने अभी ये जो लाइव लेक्चर्स के बैचेस है, इसमें मैंने अगर इस सब पॉइंट्स का सिर्फ शॉर्ट इंट्रोडक्शन पॉइंट ही दे दिए. ओके, सो व्हाट एवर दिस डिटेल नोट्स आर देयर ना ऑफ एवरी पॉइंट व्हिच वी कवर एवरी डे. ओके, ये डिटेल नोट्स आपको कब मिलेंगे? यू विल गेट दिस डिटेल नोट्स एट द एंड ऑफ द एंटायर कोर्स. 20 डेज बाद जब मैं यहाँ से आपके बुकिंग लूंगा, 2 दिन बाद उसको डिस्पैच करूंगा, तो 25-26 दिन बाद आपको ये डिटेल वाले नोट्स मिलेंगे. ठीक है, तब तक आपको, अगर मैंने ये शॉर्ट में रखा तो सिर्फ शॉर्ट में ही दे, यहाँ पर सिर्फ क्या रहूंगा शॉर्ट में करना है, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल जस्ट गिव द नेम ऑफ दिस मेंडल्स वर्क. ओके, दिस थॉमस एंड मॉर्गस कलीग्स. ओके, दिस लोकेटेड द क्रोमोसोम. ऐसा शॉर्ट में अगर मैंने लिख भी दिया, ओके, एंड आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन इट थोरोली. ओके, तो अब आपको वो पूरा कंटेंट नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई टिल नाउ व्हाटएवर द नोट्स और व्हाटएवर द पावर पॉइंट्स व्हिच आई हैव कवर्ड टिल नाउ, जो नोट्स में आपको A4 शीट में आपके जो प्रिंटेड नोट्स में है, वही आपको पावर पॉइंट में मिलेगा. ओके, एंड दिस इज गोइंग टू बी फॉलोड फॉर द रिमेनिंग 6 चैप्टर्स. ठीक है, कितना भी आपको बल्कि लगे यहाँ पर, कितना भी आपको लगे कि मैं हर एक चीज ही पढ़ रहा हूँ, ओके, आई नो दैट दिस इज गोइंग टू बी वर्क फॉर यू. यही आपके लिए बेस्ट है. ठीक है, फॉर द नेक्स्ट बैच के लिए वहां पर मैं ये जो पूरा कंटेंट ऐसा नहीं लिखूंगा, because they will already have their notes. So यहाँ पर मुझे सिर्फ 2-3 पॉइंट मेंशन करने पड़ेंगे, and I will just explain verbally then, okay, along with some diagrams if possible. ठीक है, so that's why you will find whatever the contents of these lectures are there, you will find the same notes in the PDF or in the these hard copy notes which you will receive at the end of the entire course. Okay, so let's start. Okay, see the concept jo hai of this gene is just from the Mendel's when it worked in this 1861 on this the Mendel's experiment. Actually Mendel's के कुछ experiment है, I am thinking of conducting a lecture on that separate. ठीक है, जो Mendel's के जो P पे जो उसने lectures के experiment किए वो हम अलग से एक diagrammatically एक किसी एक lecture में complete करेंगे. ठीक है. So right from there, this concept of this gene or kind of something which is controlling this inherited characteristic was there. Okay. तभी आप कुछ लोगों को लग रहा था कि कुछ ना कुछ ऐसा है जो कि इनहेरिटेड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक कंट्रोल कर रहा है. ओके, सो दिस कंसेप्ट ओरिजिनेट फ्रॉम देयर, बट दिस थॉमस मॉर्गन और उसके जो कलीग्स थे उन्होंने फर्स्ट एस्टैब्लिश किया दैट द जीन्स व्हाटएवर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, ओके, these are located on these chromosomes of that cell or chromosomes of that this nucleus. Okay, and the Ostwald variant in 1940 में क्या किया, genes were composed of DNA किया. Okay, whatever these genes this Thomas Morgan talked about, वो genes किसके बने हुए, DNA. Okay, that is given by this Ostwald variant. Okay, and whatever this term gene is that is coined by this Johansson in 1909. Johansson ने 1909 में ये term coined. ठीक है, he used this term for this hereditary factors in the Mendel. ये जो hereditary factor हम बोल रहे थे which are going to conduct the characteristic, उसके लिए for that Johansson used this term gene. Okay, in 1909. So this is just a kind of a scientific contribution you can give, okay, for this concept of gene. ठीक है, we never see, we have already seen one question here. 2001 में IFS में सिर्फ जीन्स पूछा था 10 मार्क्स के लिए. तो क्या लिखे जीन्स में, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं. ओके, जेनेटिक्स के इतने सारे बुक्स में इसमें अगर जीन्स पे कुछ भी लोग नोट्स लिखना पड़े, देन द नोट्स ऑन जीन्स ऑफ 100 स्टूडेंट कैन बी ऑफ 100 टाइप्स. जीन्स पे बहुत सारा कुछ, वी कैन इंक्लूड मेनी पॉइंट्स इन दिस जीन्स. ओके, सो आई हैव डिसाइडेड टू फॉलो वन पार्ट. ओके, सो जो बेस्ट मुझे लगता है वो हमने इंक्लूड किया. ओके, सो इन दैट व्हाट वी हैव सीन जीन कंसेप्ट में व्हाट आर द साइंटिफिक कंट्रीब्यूशंस आर. Okay, now the content of this answer will also may vary according to type of question which is asked. Okay, so that is what I am saying. Okay, today only I had a call from a student. Okay, he actually wanted to go to purchase my these notes. Okay, but he has some problem that he was saying, sir, I don't understand that even I have the collection of notes with me. Okay, but the UPSC is asking a question suppose for 2 pages, that is for 10 marks, but I have the notes on that point for the 10 pages. Okay, so I want your notes which I think are concise and I will get benefited from it. Okay, so what I have told to him that, see, this is not the case that the मेरा notes में ऐसा नहीं है कि if the question is of suppose 10 marks, then it is not the case that in my notes you will find only 2 pages of notes. This is not the case. Okay, and this should not be the case with the any notes. Okay, see, even if you have suppose you have 1000 pages of the notes with you, okay, and these are the notes only concise के मतलब, but for 10 marker the question you have made the 2 pages of notes, for 15 marker question you have made the 3 pages of notes, for a 20 marker question you have made 4 pages of notes. In this way suppose you have the collection of 1000 pages. What do you think, you are going to remember all of it? No, there is only actually 60, 70 or 80% of retention will be there. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40% तो आप भूल ही जाओगे, you will going to forget out of that. Okay, so even if the question is of only support 10 marks, repeatedly the question on that point is asked for 10 marks only. अगर किसी point पे 10 मार्क के लिए ही क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है हर साल, so ऐसा कभी मत सोचना कि आपको सिर्फ 2 पेज का ही आंसर रट के जाना है. Okay, or you just have to remember the answer on only 2 pages, for 2 pages, as it is for 10 marks आप दो मार्क पेजेस का ही करके जाओगे, ऐसा नहीं होगा. ठीक है, you should have the collection of that point sufficiently. यही main criteria है. So maybe that is of 5 pages, maybe that is of 10 pages, maybe that is of 15 pages. आपको उस point का thorough coverage होना चाहिए. You should have the thorough knowledge on that point. Okay. It may be of 2 page, 5 page, 10 page, 15 page. ठीक है. Now you will say, sir, suppose the answer is of asked for the 10 marks only, 2 pages ka, and the notes which are there, it is of 15 pages. how we are going to write in 2 pages. Okay, this is the case, this is the thing which I wanted to convey, that if you have knowledge on that point now, if you have the knowledge of that point thoroughly, okay, so then you will be able to summarize 15 pages in 1 pages also. अगर आपको उस पे पूरा नॉलेज है तो 15 पेजेस का भी आप समराइज कर पाओगे अच्छी तरह से इन 2 pages or even 1 pages. Okay, so that's why never expect that thing in from my notes कि वो बहुत most of the time it is concise only, but ऐसा expect मत करो. Okay, I have given you the thorough knowledge of that. Okay, कभी कभी अभी ये जो सेल मेम्ब्रेन का नोट्स है वो 15-20 पेज का है मेरा, उससे भी ज्यादा होगा मेरा. Okay, but many times the question is asked only for 10 marks. Okay, then you have to decide that कि एक बार वो जो 15 पेजेस है या फिर 20 पेजेस है उसमें से सबसे बेस्ट 2 पेजेस कौन से है. ओके, एंड राइट दोस 2 पेजेस इन योर आंसर. ठीक है, नाउ विल मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, दैट इज द जीन स्ट्रक्चर. ठीक है, जीन स्ट्रक्चर में क्या है, जीन्स, कुछ तो भी एरर्स आ रहे हैं यहाँ. ओके, जीन्स अर्लियर कंसीडर्ड इंडिविजुअल सब यूनिट्स ऑफ द क्रोमोसोम, ओके, फाउंड टू बी डिविजिबल बाय रिकॉम्बिनेशन इनटू पोर्शंस ऑफ द जीन्स. ओके, ये जो पोर्शंस ऑफ द जीन्स बोल रहे हैं ना, वो है ये. इनिशियली व्हाट एवर द अर्लियर कांसेप्ट्स ऑफ वाज दैट कि दे हैवंट थॉट कि उनको नहीं पता था कि क्या है जीन्स, उसको हम दिस पोर्शंस ऑफ जीन्स में डिवाइड कर सकते हैं नहीं सकते, कुछ भी नहीं पता था इनिशियली. ओके, बिकॉज एट दैट टाइम दिस स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ जीन्स वाज नॉट फुल्ली एस्टैब्लिश्ड. ओके, फुल्ली एस्टैब्लिश्ड कुछ भी नहीं था. ओके, then slowly this research got on. Okay, so abhi dheere dheere research ho chuka, this research moved on. Okay, then they started to realize that this entire chromosome is made up of these different genes. Okay, genes mein kya hai, fir genes mein kya hai, different nucleotides are there. Okay, this all the gene structure establishment ka ye jo knowledge hai wo it just got developed slowly. Okay, dheere dheere wo develop ho chuka. theek hai, then later on this all the scientists came to know that the genes consist of the DNA, okay, which has nucleotide, like nucleotides कौन से, purines and pyrimidines. Okay, जैसे कि adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. Okay, so this is the diagram. Okay, adenine, आपको diagram नहीं draw करनी है. Okay, this is just the insert from the biochemistry के notes में से मैंने मेरे ही biochemistry के notes में उठा के आपको दिखा. Okay, so these are the what? These are purines and these are the pyrimidines. Okay, adenine, guanine, cytosine and thymine. Okay, this is the present in the DNAs. Okay, gene structure के. Next is what some of these, see, it is not the case what, ऐसा नहीं है कि all these DNA are the gene. Okay, ऐसा नहीं, हर DNA gene है ऐसा नहीं. Okay, every gene is made up of DNA, that is true, but it is not the case that all the DNAs are true. Okay, many of the DNA जो है which are having role apart from the genetic regulation. Okay, there may be having what, this structural support. Okay, structural support के जैसा भी DNA का रोल होगा. ठीक है, बहुत सारे. Okay, the thing is that what I mean to say that हर DNA जीन नहीं होगा. Okay, कुछ DNA जो ऐसा होगा that is not going to function anything. Junk DNA kind of function होगा. ठीक है, अगर आपको DNA के कुछ concept और brush up करने, then you can attend this cell biology के course में हमने DNA थोड़ा और thoroughly पढ़ा है. ठीक है, so this course के लिए आपको cell biology का course at least notes तो आपको पढ़ना चाहिए. वहां पर आपको क्या रहेगा, there you will have some idea about all the genes, DNA, RNA और all the knowledge will be there. ठीक है, क्योंकि genetics बहुत higher level का chapter है, आपको इसके लिए basic knowledge होना चाहिए, that is of the cell biology. Okay, see, these genes are also going to conduct this different RNA synthesis, protein synthesis ultimately. ठीक है, तो जो ट्रांसक्रिप्शन ट्रांसलेशन में हमने देखा, it is all of those things were starting from this gene and ultimately हमें क्या मिल रहे थे, enzymes and proteins मिल रहे थे, right? So whatever these proteins which are formed from this gene expression. Okay, gene expression पे हमारा next lecture में होने वाला है separately, तो आपको समझ में आएगा gene expression क्या है exactly. ठीक है, so from this gene expression जो enzymes या फिर proteins form हो रहे, these are of 4 types. Like this enzymes controlling chemical reaction, कुछ ऐसे chemical reaction control करने वाले enzymes form होंगे. Structural components like this membranes and organelles form होंगे. Okay, from these proteins also. Process signals, okay, or the molecules which are going to receive and transmit the signals across the membrane, वो form होंगे. These are going to form from this expression of the genes. Okay, or the gene regulators or the mediators. Okay, cell cycle regulation में कुछ हमने देखे थे regulators. Okay, वैसे कुछ regulators form होंगे which are going to regulate the expression of that gene. Okay, synthesis of gene. Okay, So all of these types of different enzymes and proteins are going to be formed from the gene expression. Okay. Structural part में after this we will there are some point which are on the gene length. Okay, gene length का ये part most of them आपको useful नहीं रहेगा. It is just for अगर आपको बहुत ही this specific kind of question आ गया gene structure पे तब भी आप ये part include करो. Okay, general kind of note of gene में maybe ये ज्यादा important नहीं होगा आपको, ठीक है, but still a largest human gene is of almost 2.5 million base pair. It is for muscle protein dystrophin. ओके, यूकैरियोटिक जीन्स जो होते हैं ना वो प्रोटीन्स प्रोड्यूस करते हैं ऑलमोस्ट 150 to 2000 अमीनो एसिड लेंथ. ओके, प्रोकैरियोटिक के जो जीन्स होते हैं दीस प्रोड्यूस द प्रोटीन्स ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट 300 अमीनो एसिड लेंथ. ओके, दिस इज द जनरलाइज्ड पॉइंट. अगर आपको बड़ा नोट आ गया जीन पे then you can write this point. Okay, and last points are like these genes also code for RNAs also. We have already seen this cell biology में tRNA फॉर्म होता है, rRNAs फॉर्म होता है, like mRNAs होगा, ठीक है. And last point is the one gene one polypeptide hypothesis. Okay, what it is? ये आपको जीन एक्सप्रेशन में और ज्यादा समझ में आएगा. See, जीन के बाद जीन का कुछ प्रोडक्ट बनेगा, that is going to be express some characteristic. जीन का प्रोडक्ट means what? All these mRNA, RNAs बनेंगे, RNA के बाद कोई प्रोटीन बनेगा, एंजाइम बनेगा, and there is going to be some biological function will be there of that RNA and these proteins and enzymes. Okay, तो अल्टीमेटली कुछ ना कुछ आपको एक्सप्रेशन मिलेगा उसका, ठीक है. So this is one gene or one polypeptide hypothesis में बोला क्या गया है, this is given by this Beadle and Tatum. It is saying that अगर कोई functional gene है then ultimately that functional gene is going to form a polypeptide, a protein, and that will have certain particular function. ये बोला गया है from this work of Beadle and Tatum. It give this in 1940. Okay. For this he conducted experiment on a common bread mold, that is the Newt. One gene or one hypothesis, this one polypeptide hypothesis, ठीक है. इसको you will have to give a very short introduction point of this. बहुत ही short में आपको देना पड़ेगा because ये core concept में नहीं आएगा ये part, ठीक है. But still कुछ point हमें enrich करना था इसलिए हमने दे दिया. Okay, maybe मुझे लगता है कि maybe कोई क्वेश्चन में ये आ भी सकता है, IFS में आएगा, CSE में नहीं आएगा, पर IFS में ऐसा आ सकता है कि one gene one polypeptide hypothesis क्या है, explain in short. Okay, because there are certain type of question, unexpected type of questions are there which are asked in the IFS many times. Okay, so whatever these mutants or from this mutant strain was formed, okay, in this experiment of this Beadle and Tatum, some of these strains were defective in one enzyme. Okay, and whenever क्या हुआ mutant strain जो form हुई थी Beadle and Tatum के experiment में, these mutant strains were defective in one of the enzyme. When they were defective in one of the enzyme, then it actually inhibited the synthesis of one or more protein molecules. ठीक है, कोई भी अगर जीन में कुछ म्यूटेशन हो गया तो ऑब्वियसली प्रोटीन कोई अच्छा मैन्युफैक्चर नहीं होगा. There will not be a formation of certain protein. If there will be no formation of a certain protein or a polypeptide, then whatever the functions which are related to that protein or macromolecules are not going to be happen. Okay, and if those functions are required for the survival of that mold, then that mold may die. Okay, this is the same case with us also. Agar if we have a mutation in any of our gene, okay, and if that gene is performing a very one of the life this important function in our lives, so maybe we have some problem during our life also. Okay, so that is also inherited disease में या फिर this chromosomal link gene, this DNA, this disease में वही तो होता है. Okay, अगर कोई भी हमारा genetic diseases है, then they give some of these life-threatening conditions also, right? So that is what is established by this Beadle and Tatum's experiment, that one gene gives us the one polypeptide. ठीक है. See, right now it feels very easy कि हाँ one gene तो one polypeptide देगा. Okay, because right now our knowledge is at a very higher level. But when this Beadle and Tatum gives this hypothesis in 1940s, तो वहां पर इतना ज्यादा नॉलेज नहीं था इनको कि हाँ एक प्रोटीन बनने के लिए क्या चाहिए, ट्रांसक्रिप्शन, ट्रांसलेशन, this it requires one gene. All of those things were not known at that time to many, right? So that's why for at that time it has a very high value. अभी भी है, there is a lot of value to this hypothesis even right now. But only the thing that you will find it very easy. So what is it? One gene, one polypeptide. ये तो हमें already पता था. We have already seen that in transcription, translation. Okay, but that is because you already know this knowledge. Okay. This is the case in 1940s when there were not no much knowledge about this. Okay. So this one gene can now be defined as this nucleic acid sequence encoding a functional polypeptide or RNA sequence. Okay. So this is one of the definition which this Biddle and Tatum gave. Okay. So from whatever this transcription translation is going to be happen based on that one segment, this one fragment of this nucleic acid. Okay, nucleic acid के sequence से जो transcription translation और and the ultimate synthesis of the protein होने वाला है. Okay, for that, on the basis of that experiment, this definition of gene is there, that it is a nucleotide sequence which encodes a functional polypeptide और एनी आरएनए सीक्वेंस. अल्टीमेटली आरएनए सीक्वेंस भी अगर एनकोड हुआ तो बाद में प्रोटीन बनेगा, प्रोटीन का कुछ बायोमोलिक्यूल बनेगा, बायोमोलिक्यूल से कुछ एंजाइम होगा फॉर्म, तो इट्स गोइंग टू शो सम फंक्शन इन दिस सेल. ओके, सो दिस वर द इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट व्हिच आई वांटेड टू गिव यू. फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर हम थोड़ा और डिटेल में ट्राई करेंगे इसे स्टडी करना. सो इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी ऑन एनी ऑफ दिस पार्ट यू कैन आस्क, अदरवाइज वी विल स्टॉप आवर लेक्चर हियर ऑन. ठीक है, आपको कुछ क्वेरी है तो आप पूछ सकते हो, otherwise we will meet tomorrow. कुछ क्वेरी है आपको? नो क्वेरी. अभिषेक इज सेइंग नो क्वेरी. ओके, और जब भी आपको क्वेरी नहीं होगा तो इमीडिएटली बोला करो नो, सो दैट वी कैन जस्ट इमीडिएटली स्टॉप कर सके और आप आपका जो वर्क है वो कर सके. ठीक है, नो क्वेरी. अभिषेक has already said you can just leave. जिनको क्वेरीज नहीं वो लीव कर सकते, जिनको क्वेरीज है वो पूछ सकते. Yes, no queries. Okay, I think no queries are there. Then we will stop here. We will meet tomorrow at the same time at the 5 p.m. Till then, have a good night. Bye bye.